Hi, Lee from URC. I want to talk to you about why URC. We're a privately held and stable company with stable leadership and stable supply. We're a great partner that's easy to do business with and easy to get started doing business with. We know that training is one of the biggest hurdles because that time investment is hard, especially when it's lumped up. So we've broken our training up to try and make it easier to get started and take level 1 one day, and then you can take level 2 2 weeks down the road when you have time. We try and make that easier to get started, and we believe in mutually beneficial relationships. Those are the type that last. That's what we're after. We're after long-lasting relationships that are equitable. We offer high performance and high value that you in turn can offer your customers high performance, high value control systems. That'll help you win projects. We're profitable. At URC, profit is not a dirty word. We know you're not running a nonprofit. We offer 60 points before program, and program is very attainable. What that means to you, that 60 points versus what you're getting on another brand, is anywhere from 25 to 40% more profit at the end of the year. That's your profit, that's your company's raise by making more money on the same sale. New growth opportunities, specifically in light commercial, it's a huge area of growth for us. The last 5 years, it's turned into a major area of focus for us. And that's new opportunities for a lot of dealers. A lot of dealers have been very resi focused just because it's been boom times. And certainly there are some winds of change, and we think light commercial is going to be a continued opportunity for a lot of dealers, and you can lean on our expertise and we can help you get started in that channel. Our platform is scalable and flexible. See light commercial above. We offer some things that you can do that you simply can't do with other product that will get you into those channels. It's also very, very flexible in that it'll work from your smallest project to your largest project, no matter the scope. There's a high-level customization and personalization that will help differentiate what you can do and what interface your customer will see that will help you win that luxury job. Having pictures of their family, having pictures of their rooms, their favorite sports teams, etc., either on buttons, backgrounds, rooms images, that's more than what you can do with other companies, and that will help set yourself apart from your competition. Interfaces. After 3 decades, I would say that they've been pretty well mastered. I think most everybody in the industry very much respects our interfaces, respects the hand feel, the build quality of what we do. And really, that's the steering wheel of the car, of the system that the customer uses. So putting that in their hand will help you win the job. HDA, our audio system. There's a lot to talk about with it, but to quickly summarize, it's a higher performance, more flexible platform that is also more profitable. And it can do some great things that you can't do with other systems. It's very much worth looking at. Our integration partnerships. We like to think we're best-in-class control, and we like to think we control best-in-class products. Most of those we directly partner with the manufacturer, so it's a certified integration, so it is more stable and it's not going to break. It takes longer to do, but we feel it's worth it, and we think it's a big advantage. And voice control. I would say we are the absolute leader in voice control with Google, Alexa, and we're Alexa certified partner, both with Ring as well as in some of our devices have Alexa voice built in. So what Alexa can do, we can do by default. We also can do Comcast voice. It is a certified partnership. It's exclusive to us. Same thing, Apple TV voice. We are a certified partner with them using HomeKit, also exclusive to us. Pretty big deal, and it's what customers are asking for. They already have it, and the fact that we do it and we do it exactly the same as what they're used to is, it takes away a major pain point. So, taking things in new directions, creating new opportunities, and giving you a better mousetrap to help win a project, it's a great reason to do business with URC.